Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. Today I have another wig review for you guys. An Amazon company was kind enough to send me a wig to review. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig out of the pack. So if you are new to my channel, check me out and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I have this headband wig. This is a 16-inch straight headband wig. It comes with 3 combs, and let me just point this out. I love that it comes with combs because a lot of wigs that I bought, I had to install my own combs. So the fact that these come with combs, like, is a big deal. So I also get adjustable straps, and this is the headband right here, and this is 16 inches. And also you will get a headband besides the one that is attached to the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and style her and jump into the details on her.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy.
Alright girls, so I am done with styling this wig. It was fairly quick, fairly easy. So let's jump into the deets on this wig. So again, this is a headband wig. This is 16 inches. This is a Brazilian human hair wig. The density is 150. The texture to me feels really nice. It feels really soft. The quality is there, and it is not too thin at all. So it's fairly, I do like the density on here. I like it. It has a nice luster on here. It looks very healthy. Doesn't look, you know, split ends or damaged or anything. It looks very healthy. So I really do like that on this wig. Oh, and also I did put a headband, my own headband wig that I bought from, where I bought this from Etsy. I think this was the last one that they had. I will try to find a link for it. If I do find a link, I will put it in the description box. This is going to be a fairly quick video, like always, when it comes to headband wigs, because they are so quick and simple. You just do your edges, put it on, and you are good to go. And then you do not have to sleep with this hair on, so the longevity and longevity, whatever, that last. So my overall opinion is that I really do like this hair. This looks very natural. If you do want a more thicker look, you can go in and add your own bundles. You can even use beauty supply store hair. Beauty supply stores nowadays do have great grade of hair, or you can go on Amazon and buy your bundles off there, or whatever you would like to do. If you want to add bundles, you can go based on your preference, but for me, this is the perfect density. So I'm going to do a 360. This is the front, side, and the back. So if I left out anything, I will have the information in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe and also hit notifications so you can get all of my uploads. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I see you loves in my next video.